Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Babu Sunkara. In this video, we are going to learn that not providing toilet, not constructing the toilet as per the wish of the wife is coming under the part of cruelty as stated in by a family court, a session judge. He is Mr. Rajendra Kumar Sharma in Rajasthan, right? So how divorce will be granted? What is the so-called cruelty? You may be knowing, according to section 13(1) of the Hindu Marriage Act 1955, there are about 11 conditions to get a divorce. 9 grounds to get a divorce. Number 1, definitely you all know that it is adultery. Oh, wife leaving that fellow developed with another relation, right? Then desertion, continuous period of 2 years. If a man and wife, they are not living together for a continuous period of 2 years, then definitely it can be called as desertion. Then insanity or mentally unsoundness or venereal disease, renunciation, all these things. Then important point, cruelty is more important. Desertion, cruelty. What is cruelty means? Please remember. So, cruelty means a willful and unjustifiable conduct. Please remember, willful and unjustifiable conduct, justifiable conduct as to cause mental agony to the other, danger to the other's life, threat to the other's life. This is what is called cruelty. If any person shows cruelty, yes, it is a ground for divorce. So, leprosy, venereal disease, and this conversion. And ultimately, please remember this also. Presumption of death. If a person is not alive, found to be alive for a continuous period of 6 years or 7 years or so, then he can be declared dead, right? As per 106 of the Indian Evidence Act, whatever it is. So these are the ground for divorce, and cruelty we are going to discuss. Now we'll go to the facts of the case. What happened is, this wife, actually the marriage of the couple was held in the year 2011 in Bhilwara, that is in Rajasthan, right? The woman was aged about 24 years at a particular point of time, right? So actually she asked the husband to provide lavatory or toilet in the room or just in the premises of the house, because she cannot go to the open place for defecation. Her trouble is that she has to wait till dusk or till it gets night to go outside for defecation, or early in the morning. This is the problem. Okay? She is a woman, so it is definitely a part of her decency and dignity also. She has waited like that for 4 years. So since the husband did not fulfill her desire of a lavatory in the house, she filed a petition for divorce under section 13 of the Hindu Marriage Act, stating the condition of not providing and treating as requesting the case to treat this as cruelty, right? She has to wait till the dusk to go to the fields to relieve her. She feels stripped of her dignity. This is what is written in this particular case, right? So please remember, as per then normally the notice will be given to the other side. The husband says that the demand of the wife is unusual. Why? Because the villagers, almost all the villagers, they go outside for open defecation. That is their practice. And that too, they are poor people. And he also stated that at the time of marriage, she did not demand for the installation or the construction of the so-called lavatory or bathroom or toilet in the house. Now, the court has come to the point, important point. It is an irony that people spend a lot of money for alcohol, for tobacco products like cigarette, all these things, and mobile phones. This is the latest culture. People spend a lot of money for mobile phones, but they don't spend money for the toilets. They don't have toilets. It is an irony. So therefore, the court said that definitely it is cruelty. So demand of wife is genuine. Demand of the wife is genuine because she is normally her chastity. She has got modesty. Normally, suppose If you are a man, normally if you want to pass urine, you will just go outside to the end of the road and piss. Is it not? You know. But for a woman, it's difficult. She has to wait for some shade. Then only she can urinate. She can pass. So this is the main problem. So therefore, our request is genuine. But the funniest part is, really, it is a laudable order. In my view, it is a very good order. But normally people may laugh at it. So, not construction of toilet, will it amount to cruelty? Definitely it amounts to cruelty as per the decision of Mr. Rajendra Kumar Sharma. So, he has allowed divorce to the wife, right? Because it is a cruelty. Of course, it is feeling, definitely it is a laudable order as well. And in this regard, we have to remember the Swachh Bharat movement also. Prime Minister Narendra Modi's concept is Swachh Bharat, the Clean India. So in that, at least under the scheme also, actually I think that scheme has come in 2014, whatever it is. Under that scheme also, he could have constructed the so-called toilet. Since he did not do it, the main problem arose, and ultimately he lost the marital relationship and he has to live separately. You know, divorce is granted as per section 13(1) of the Hindu Marriage Act. So, very good forethought or forethinking decision by the district judge. At the level of a district judge, he has given a beautiful judgment stating that yes, you have to provide the toilet. That is because she is feeling stripped of her dignity. It has to be taken into consideration. Very good decision. Please read it if you find time and enrich your legal knowledge. So, cruelty, the definition of cruelty is very difficult. In 498A, while telling you the definition of cruelty, I told you that any willful and unjustifiable behavior which is dragging the person to the mental agony or threat to life is cruelty. Same thing we can repeat here also. Okay, thank you very much.